So Shaun, exactly what happened before we get started? What would you say went wrong?
It was definitely driver error.
Okay.
It was a night ride. I was up in the big dunes and launched it off of, I'd say 40 feet. So the whole cliff was probably about 80 feet. And I hit it about halfway down where my marks were.
Wow.
And it just crumbled.
So you landed kind of sideways?
Yeah.
And back left tire took the first hit? Or
I don't know, because this tire was completely blown out as well.
Was it?
Yeah.
So you hit real hard on just the whole driver's side.
Yep. And then flipped a couple times, turned over, and landed upside down.
Wow.
The straps saved me.
Crazy, man. Well, glad you're all right.
Me too.
Most important thing. But we got a bunch of tools. We're going to get you all patched back up, man, there. No time. These guys got it. I got pure 100% faith.
That's what we do.
Yeah. All day, every day.
All right, let's get to it.
Certified mechanics.
Yeah, you are in that, buddy. It looks like he's all good to go. I know, helmet. I don't condone it, but he's a grown man. I can't yell at him. We were just testing it around camp, making sure nothing rattles off, and everything looks good to go. So rest of the weekend riding. This was really just Friday's project, getting him up and going again. And yeah, happy. You wouldn't know anything was wrong with it till you see it from behind. It's a freaking time to ride, though. having Shaun drive it because he's directly out of a stock 64-inch machine, completely stock. So I wanted a more raw reaction of somebody getting into something with this long travel kit, the springs, the seats, and get more of a sense of what it feels like, because I'm kind of numb to it. I've done so many things over the time. Granted, the suspension does feel really, really good. Think you'll write me a $50,000 check right now?
Take care of all his motion sickness. I don't think he needs to drive with me no more.
He's probably like, can we go on a longer ride?
Can you drive that?
Can we switch? It is glide now. Yeah.
God, this thing is amazing.
What do you think, dude?
It's a Cadillac with power and muscle.
How does it feel compared to yours, like directly against it?
Oh, it's night and day.
Night and day?
All day.
How does the suspension feel? Does it feel like it needs to be stiffened or softened now? Because I went up quite a bit in the clickers.
Just right here, coming back, it felt like it bottomed.
Bottom?
Yeah.
In the back?
Yeah.
Okay.
So stiffened. But oh my gosh.
Overall, does it feel like it's floating pretty good?
I want this car.
Just write me a big check, dude. You can have it.
Yeah. Did I get a discount? You want that?
Trade-in value?
Oh, it's beautiful.
So you'd say a long travel, a worth it while upgrade?
Yep.
Yeah?
Yep.
Yeah, I would say so too. So far, just messing with it. And granted, the springs are going to settle a little bit, mess with the clickers a little bit, but
yeah, definitely worth it. Night
it's pretty
day.
wild, man.
Yeah,
it's pretty wild so far. So
it's awesome.
There you guys go. We're going to have a lot more with this car over the weekend, but just a quick little review and a shakedown run with the Lonestar suspension. Seems to be doing its job. Looks phenomenal. We're going to get back to the weekend.